Hello students, this is the next lecture of chapter 2. In this again I am going to open the settings box, Windows plus I, and then personalization. Click on the personalization, and in this one now I am going to tell you about the taskbar. What is the taskbar? Taskbar is located at the bottom of the screen. This whole area is called taskbar, and generally, as the name, if we want to perform any task on the system, then all the things you will get from the taskbar, such as if you want to open a program, then you can open it from the taskbar. And if any program is opened on the screen, then you can see icon of the open programs on the taskbar. Even you can see the date and time, and some notifications. So all the things that you want to perform on the system, all the things you will get through the taskbar. Let's do the practical of this one. Taskbar is divided in following parts. This is the start button to open any program. This is the search box to directly type and open any program. And here you will get quick access toolbar, we can say, or this area contains some icons of the program. Directly you can open from here. And this is the blank space where you will see the opened programs icons, and in the corner one some notifications area is there, in which you will get the notification of the related options, and at last the date and time. And after that, in the last one button will be there, show the desktop. Here it will show you the desktop when you will hover mouse there. Now after that, see, in the taskbar properties, the first option is there, lock the taskbar. If this is on, you can't resize taskbar, means we can't change the size of the taskbar, and we can't move the taskbar, means we can't place from one location to another location. And if you want to change the size, and if you want to locate at other place, then you can switch off this one by dragging this one in this side, in the left side. After switching off the lock the taskbar, now you are able to place your taskbar at any location. Any location can be there, top, bottom, left and right, only 4 locations. So place your pointer at the blank space and hold on the left key, and now drag in the desired location. See, now this is the top, this is the right, and this is the bottom. And if you want to change the size of the taskbar, you can place your pointer at the border. Your pointer will be changed in the double-headed shape. So now if don't want, then again on the lock the taskbar, it will be locked. Second one, automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. Always you see taskbar at the desktop, and but if you want that when we are working on the other screen, then don't show the taskbar. In that situation we can make it on, and it will not show you if you are working on the other screen. Sorry, not this one, this one, desktop mode. See, both options are same, but one is for the desktop mode and second one is for the tablet mode. So here we are using the desktop mode. And when you need the taskbar, place your pointer at the bottom, you will get the taskbar. Otherwise it will be hide. So make it off.